Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Eventbrite Support. Here's how to contact Eventbrite Support. The first thing to do is to go to the Eventbrite homepage at eventbrite.com and log in with your account credentials. Once logged in, at the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find a couple of tabs, including create an event, like, ticket, and you have your profile, which is here. Now, in the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find your profile icon. Click on it where your email address is displayed. So from here, that's from the drop down menu, go ahead and click on Manage My Event, and that's going to take you to the Manage My Event section. From here, head over to the left navigation menu and scroll down. We have all of these icons. Scroll down until you find the last icon, which is our Help Center. That's what exactly we're looking for. Now go ahead and click on Help Center, and it will take you to the Eventbrite Help Center where you can search for answers to common questions. So before reaching out directly, you can search for articles that might resolve your issue. So use the search bar at the top of the Help Center to type in the keyword related to your problem. Example, refund, ticket transfer, or event creation. Or you can just use the featured articles to just literally help yourself. So browse the available articles to see if any of them address your issue. However, if you can't find a solution in the Help Center, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Contact Us button or link, which is here. Now, click on Contact Us, which will either open a support request form or just guide you to other ways to contact Eventbrite. So now it says your support option. It looks like you attend events. So for help, you can find as a common question, email support is available for some issues. So here you go, attend an event and organize an event. So you can just click on that and something else. Just go ahead and click on something else and see options for something else. Now, once you have browsed any of this issue, or let's say you want to report an issue because you don't have none of these questions or none of these articles actually answer your questions, just head over to Trust and Safety and click on I need to report an issue. Now go ahead and follow the prompt. So to report a grievance or issue with Eventbrite, contact support. Now to report an event that violates that, so find the event listing on the Eventbrite, select report this event at the bottom of the page and follow the instructions. All right, now still have questions, you still have the option to contact support, and once you click on contact support hyperlink, it takes you to the form. Now you can fill out the required fields. So enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your event URL address, and of course the message. So in this message box, you have to be very detailed about the problem. So enter a detailed description of the issue. And once you're done, go ahead and click on the send button. After submitting the form, Eventbrite support team will respond via email. So response times may vary depending on the complexity of the issue. You can also reach out to Eventbrite through their social media channels for support. Eventbrite is active on platforms like Twitter and Facebook, and you can message them directly for help. So make sure to have all relevant event details, order numbers, and any other necessary information ready before contacting support to speed up the process. By following these steps, you should be able to easily contact Eventbrite support for assistance with any issues. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial absolutely helped you search.